As you walk into DigiClarity, you will be immediately impressed by its sheer vibrance. This is where we foster a culture of learning, growth and recognition while helping our people achieve perfect work-life balance. As a leading healthcare RCM provider, we at DigiClarity Global Solutions are proud of our open and inclusive work environment. Here, individuals are valued, ideas are welcome, talent is nurtured, diversity is encouraged, spontaneity is celebrated, and team spirit is evident. Our Chennai operations are spread over 18,000 square feet, conveniently located in the city's IT corridor. Given the nature of our business, our workspace hosts highly secured networks, and we often upgrade our security systems to stay ahead of threats. Our core team has over 20 years of combined experience in RCM, and DigiClarity is a HIPAA-compliant and SOC 2 Type 1 certified organization. Our transparent work culture coexists beautifully with data protocols that give our people clarity and confidence in decision-making when handling sensitive data with great integrity. Our healthcare clients trust us for their revenue cycle management, and we trust our people. At DigiClarity Global Solutions, we take our assets seriously, very seriously. By assets, we mean our people, because we have chosen the best talent. They are the cornerstone of every success we have seen. Therefore, we go to great lengths to keep our people happy, engaged, and motivated. We rejoice in our multicultural backgrounds and revel in the rich diversity of perspectives and experiences that our people bring together. And if each of us is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. DigiClarity Global Solutions. Connecting minds, unlocking potential.